Take a little step and don't be scared. Just another step, we're almost there. And I know it's hard to see, but I'll hold you close to me. The ground's gonna shake, the wind will blow. The water's gonna rise, but this I know, there will surely come a day when the pain will fade away. In Jesus, every fear and every shame will finally be erased. In Jesus, every hurt will be redeemed, every bitter thing made sweet. In Jesus, you can't understand from the outside. No one really knows the tears you've cried. On the inside you've got scars, but the healer knows your heart. In Jesus, every fear and every shame will finally be erased. In Jesus, every hurt will be redeemed, every bitter thing made sweet. In Jesus, if you feel the heavy weight of the guilt, regret, and blame, I know how to break those chains. Just call His name, Jesus.